Welcome to all. We have to visit nursery and prepare the nursery report by 5 March. First, we have to prepare this certificate on the first page and write the name, your PRA number, and exam number if available. And this way, we have to write handwriting or maybe whatever you have to use. But this report has to be handwrite. आले लक्षात. हँडरायटिंग करायचं, हाताने लिहायचा हा रिपोर्ट. आणि ह्या रिपोर्टमध्ये काही गोष्टी आहेत त्या तुम्हाला सांगता आलं पाहिजे. एखाद्या नर्सरीला गेल्यानंतर आपण काय करतो, कुठली महत्त्वाचे हे कॉम्पोनंट्स हे करतो, ते कॉम्पोनंट्स कसे आहेत आणि कशा पद्धतीनं आपण केलं पाहिजेत हे महत्त्वाचं आहे. आणि तेवढ्यासाठी आपण इथं नर्सरी व्हिजिट रिपोर्ट घेतलेला आहे की जो आपण आष्टा इस्लामपूर रोडला नर्सरी बघायला गेलो होतो त्यावेळेचा रिपोर्ट आहे. ज्यावेळेला पेंडेमिक नव्हतं आणि आपलं जरा कॉलेज चालू होतं त्यावेळेला आपण हा नर्सरी केलेला आहे. टू प्रिपेअर द रिपोर्ट बेसिक कंपोनंट्स ऑफ एनी नर्सरीज आर मस्ट कन्सिडर बी इनलिस्टेड ड्युरिंग द व्हिजिट. सम ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टंट ऑब्झर्वेशन्स रिगार्डिंग द स्टडी ऑफ द नर्सरी. आता नर्सरी म्हणजे काय आहे, नर्सरीचं काय आहे, इम्पॉर्टन्स काय आहे, सिग्निफिकन्स काय आहे, वी हॅव टू नो ऑल दीज थिंग्स. स्पेसिफिक इम्पॉर्टन्स तेवढं मी तुम्हाला सांगतो. सीडलिंग्स अँड ग्राफ्ट्स आर प्रोड्युस्ड नर्सरी अँड फ्रूट ऑर्किड्स and ornamental gardens can be established with minimum care, cost and maintenance. The second one most important is nursery is the planting material are available at the beginning of the planting season. This saves the time, money, efforts of the farmers to raise the seedlings, and that is why the seedling production is most important and supplied to the farmers. There is a wide scope of fruit, orchids, ornamentals, vegetables and landscape gardening, and also provide to the public gardens, private gardens, highways, etc. What are the roles of horticulture development? Production of genetically pure nursery stock, this is the most important, and we have to already studied in the theoretical. Export of nursery stocks to whenever who want to buy. And third one is employment generation. Number of employment generations and people have to give the employments, and particularly not only the single profit but all together profit, cooperative profit has to be given, and particularly employment generation has been taken place. And role of nursery in dryland horticulture, this is the most important. तर नर्सरी नुसती नर्सरीही नाही तर नर्सरी हे एक रोजगार देण्याचे साधन आहे, पैसे कमवण्याचे साधन आहे. आणि ह्या नर्सरीज कशा साधनं आहेत आणि कुठल्या पद्धतीनं आपण दिलेल्या आहेत हे तिथं व्हिजिट त्यांना करून त्यांच्याशी बोलून आपण घेतलेलं आहे. ऑब्झर्वेशन्स ड्युरिंग नर्सरी व्हिजिट आपण 17 ऑक्टोबरला गेल्या वर्षी 2020 ज्या वेळेला व्हेन पेंडेमिक हॅज टू बी कमी झालेलं होतं त्यावेळेला आपल्याला गेलो होतो आपण. 25 स्टुडंट, 2 टीचर्स अँड 2 लॅब अटेंडन्स. लोकॅलिटी इस्लामपूर आष्टा रोड, 17 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम इस्लामपूर कॉलेज कॅम्पस, डिस्ट्रिक्ट सांगली. वॉट एवर दीज आर the informations. This is the owner name. Private nursery Sri Abasaheb Pandurang Patil, BSc Agri and MSc Horticulture, and he also called as a Krushi Tadnya. Degree has to be allotted by the peoples. Geographic location, this is the longitude, altitude, and approximately 4.7 hectare area. That means very large area of this nursery. Some of the plants which has to be important for the cultivation in the public garden, in college garden, in private garden, and also the plants and floricultural seedlings has to be provided to the farmers and interested peoples for their economic importance, and how their availability has been enlisted in this table. From one plant, say for example Dieffenbachia picta is botanical name, house decoration, and permanently these plants are available in this garden. Say for example Kadamba plant, silver oak, these plants are important for the road plantation to the private or government agencies like Nagarpalika, Gram Panchayat, etc. Another thing is that here the night queen flowering plants, exora flowering plants, calendula, aster, carnation, all these are commercially important and supplied to the farmers, particularly pot and garden decoration, also a bedding pot culture and good cut flowers for this purpose. And some of the, just like the calendula is seasonally available and remaining are permanently available in that area. So this is the some of the plants and some horticulture fruit plants like mango, guava, pomegranate, sapota, coconut, teak, lemon, all these plants are available in that nursery, and these are the name of the plant, and these fruit plants are used for the trades, and the availability of the sapling or seedlings are permanently in this nursery. So some of these photographs of these plants which has to be available for the peoples and supply to the all the peoples. Thank you.